Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm picking the winner of my 1500 subby giveaway, and I'm just going to grab the URL and paste it here into the YouTube comment picker, and then we'll see how many comments we have. 53 comments, that's wonderful. Good luck everyone, and thank you all for entering. Our first prize goes to Yvonne Farrell. Hi Deborah from CQ. Congratulations on 1500 subscribers. Enjoy your peaceful, unhurried style. Thank you for your lovely giveaway. Thanks Yvonne. And I think that CQ is Central Queensland. I'm not really sure. I'll have to get in touch and see what where that is. Let's pick the second winner. And the second prize goes to LP Red Flower, which is Linda. It says, congratulations Deborah on your 1500 subs. What an awesome kit. One can never have enough digitals. How wonderful it would be to have some of your creations. Linda. Thank you very much, Linda. And now we'll go for the third prize winner. And the third prize goes to Art, Craft and Journals. It says, congratulations Deborah, best wishes Sue. Thanks very much, Sue. That's lovely. So they're the three winners of the prizes.